Hi everyone, my name's Gage and I'm the owner and developer of Ascent Repricer. In this video, I'm just going to walk you through everything about Ascent and what you can expect once you complete your subscription. So here we have the home page. The home page contains all the analytics about your business and the repricer that you'll need. In here we have the buy box win percentage graph over time, so you can make changes to your settings and see how that affects your buy box win percentages. And then we can toggle this over to sales, and this will show you your sales along with your profit, so you can see how well your business is doing. Over here we have our buy box win percentage versus the losing percentage, and also some stats about what percentage is winning the buy box, what percentage is at minimum, what percentage of your items have a suppressed buy box, so no buy box at all, and essentially everything else that's matching the buy box. We have some recent price increases here. So this shows you all the products that Ascent has recently increased the price of. The before price, the after price, and increase. This is really the whole point of Ascent, is to make you more money. So you can see what Ascent's been doing by looking here. And then we have sales over here. We can toggle different time variations, and we can see our sales, profit, ROI, and also the additional profit that Ascent's made through these recent price increases. We also have stats here showing repricing, buy box wins, suppressed, and at minimum. Then we can head over to listings. So this shows you all of your listings that you have on Amazon. You can fill in your cost of goods, basically your buy price. You can fill in a minimum, a maximum, and a rule. On Ascent, we have 4 rules. There's no need to overcomplicate it. I've done the hard work and made these rules as versatile as they need to be, and it also allows Ascent to make up its own mind on what the best outcome for each pricing decision is. Leaving the bulk of the decisions up to Ascent means you're going to make more money and also save your headache. So here we have stats about the product, buy box, the low FBA price, current price, profit, and ROI at that current price. You can add notes about products by clicking here. You can turn off and on repricing, all that good stuff. We have different filters and also different sorts. So a cool one I like is the sort by value. So if we do that here, it will actually show you all of the items in your inventory that are currently taking up the most amount of capital. So potentially you can get rid of these quicker if you need a quick boost of capital. Something I haven't seen on any other piece of software, which I find really strange because this is really handy. This new tab, Orders, is something that we recently added. So we have some filters here, but this essentially shows you all of your recent orders, the profit and ROI on each one, order ID and all that stuff. And then we also have the rules, min and max here. So essentially you can look at your orders and see, right, did something sell for not as much as I was expecting? I'll change the rule, I'll change the minimum directly on here, saving you going from 2 pages and using 2 different websites. Here we have history. So this tells you how many reprices are done in the last 24 hours, along with every single price action and why that price action has happened. I think a big thing that a lot of reprices are missing are the reason column. I want to know exactly why my reprice is doing something, and this solves that issue. And then we can also select filters and search through the history and whatnot. And I think this gives a really clear idea as to what Ascent's doing and really the magic behind it. And then we have the settings page here. So you can see when your subscription ends, you set up your mins for min, profit, and ROI for each rule. So if I put $3.99 and 20% on Sicilian, then any rules that are on Sicilian on my listings page, they will follow those minimums. So I don't have to manually enter a min and max for each of them. I can if I want. I can override what we've put into settings, but it just allows you to save time and just leave them empty. We can see we've got kind of a star ranking for each of the rules. So as you can see, as the rules go down, the sales increases and the profit decreases. So each of these rules kind of vary in being aggressive and vary in the amount of profit automations that happen on each one. So if you want to really just get sales, you'll go to Marshall. If you want to really increase your profit, you want to use Sicilian. But obviously, to get the most out of the repricer, you use all of them. by using the age automations. So as your stock gets older, then they'll get transferred into different rules. So essentially, when the item first comes in, you're probably more interested in turning a larger profit than you are of getting rid of it straight away. But as the product starts to age, you're probably more interested in just getting it out the door at whatever price. And that's what the age automations are for. You can add your own prep fee. We have this really cool feature called auto cog. So with a lot of reprices, you have to manually enter your buy price one by one. Probably takes you 15 minutes a day. It's annoying. With Ascent, you don't have to do that. As long as you format your SKUs in a way that the first and second dash contain the price in between, Ascent will automatically pick that up and fill in the cost of goods for you as soon as you upload the listing to Amazon. So you don't have to worry about checking it or adding it. It's just there. It just works. So that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, you can always click that bottom right icon and chat to me or one of the staff members directly. And that goes for when you have the product as well. If you're ever confused about something, we're always here to help. Thanks, guys, and I hope to see you using Ascent.